Good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Mathematics Past Question 23. In a triangle XYZ, angle YXZ is equals to 44 degree and angle XYZ is equals to 112 degree. Calculate the acute angle between the internal bisector of angle XYZ and angle XZY. Now the options given are 12 degree, 56 degree, 68 degree and 78 degree. Now let's go back to the question. We're given a triangle XYZ. Let's represent this triangle X, Y, and Z. Now angle YXZ is 44 degree. That is YXZ here is 44 degree. Then angle XYZ is 112 degree. XYZ, which is here, is 112 degree. Now since we know that the sum of angle in a triangle is 180, we can simply get the angle of the value of angle XZY, and that will be 180 minus the sum of 44 plus 112, and that is 180 minus 156, and that will give us 24 degree. So this angle here is 24 degree. Now the question says we should calculate the angle, the acute angle between the internal bisector of angle XY and angle XZY. So let's bisect this angle like this and also bisect this angle like this. It simply means we are dividing these two angles into two. Now dividing these two angles into two, angle 112 degree here will become 56 degree, which is this part, and then this 24 degree bisecting into 2 will give us what? 12 degree. Now the acute angle between the internal bisector will be 56 degree plus 12 degree, and that is equal to 68 degree. So the answer to this question is actually option C, 68 degree. Thank you, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.